Welcome back to Unwrapped, where we are putting the whew in hot and spicy foods. Now, the next company is best known for their cheesecake, but believe it or not, one of their most popular dishes is their very spicy Cajun Jambalaya pasta. So take a look as the Cheesecake Factory heads to the Deep South. I love this dish, by the way.
You don't have to be in Cajun country to feel the fire of some spicy Southern flair. The Cheesecake Factory cranks up the heat with its own style of jambalaya. The shrimp and chicken favorite has a major twist here: pasta.
Typically, jambalaya would more than likely be a rice dish. We took advantage of the fact that pasta is really popular, and we combined the two concepts, and it worked.
What I personally love about the Cajun Jambalaya pasta is the Cajun spice blend that we use really kind of provides a smoky, kind of sweet, tangy heat to it. I love it.
Perking up this pasta begins with spicing up fresh chicken. The secret spices are the Cheesecake Factory's own blend of cayenne pepper, crushed red chili flakes, and chili powders.
The chicken will get cooked, seared all over, get a nice crust, develop some flavor there.
Veggies are next. They slice red, yellow, and green peppers along with onions for a spicy, sweet flavor. Once the onions caramelize, they toss in fresh shrimp.
We don't want to overcook the shrimp. They need to be very tender and juicy and succulent.
The number of Cajun Jambalaya pasta orders we receive in a year, we use about 300,000 pounds of shrimp.
Next up, they add garlic, salt, pepper, and a touch more Cajun seasoning for, you guessed it, a bit more heat. Then they pour in seafood and chicken broth and tomatoes to finish it off.
All of that gets cooked together. It becomes sort of the sauce for the dish.
Then it's time to plate up some hot, fresh linguine.
This just luscious, mouth-watering, full-bodied Cajun specialty goes right on top, and it's perfect every time for every guest.
And it seems anyone who likes it hot can't get enough. The factory, famous for their sweet cheesecakes, serves up more than 1 million orders of this spicy specialty every year.